Hello everyone, I am Dr. Simranjeet Singh, Director Dentecme Coaching Academy. Today we have with us Dentecme Shining Star Dr. Amandeep Kaur. She has got All India 238 rank in first attempt in NEET MDS 2024 exam. She is our online student and she has done BDS from prestigious Dental Institute, DERDS Faridkot. I welcome Dr. Amandeep Kaur on behalf of Dentec में हम इनसे डिस्कस करेंगे, इनसे पूछेंगे क्या इनकी स्ट्रगल्स रही, क्या मोटिवेशन रही, किन किन फैक्टर्स की वजह से शी हैज बीन एबल टू अचीव दिस रैंक. ये अपनी सारी जर्नी बताएंगी, कौन कौन सी बुक्स इन्होंने फॉलो की, जो कि बहुत यूजफुल रहेगा फॉर फ्यूचर एस्पिरेंट्स. सो डॉक्टर अमनदीप, प्लीज लेट अस नो दैट आपको कैसा लग रहा है, कैसा फील कर रहे हो ऑल इंडिया 238 रैंक लेके.
First of all, I want to thank Dentecme Academy for helping me in preparing, and I feel honored to be here. And I'm feeling on cloud nine. I want to thank Almighty that He helped me in clearing the NEET and DIS exam in first attempt, and still I can't believe I cleared it in first attempt.
So you have to believe that you have done it, and we are very proud of you. And now please let us know that जो आपकी ये जर्नी रही, you started your preparation in internship. So internship की जो आपकी जर्नी रही प्रिपरेशन की या उसके बाद रहा, उसमें आपने क्या स्ट्रगल्स फेस की, क्या मोटिवेशनल फैक्टर्स रहे आपने?
I started my preparation in the internship only, but I was not able to cover all the subjects in internship. I was able to cover only 15-16 subjects, and the rest of the subjects I covered after my internship. It was after September 2023, and I was not also able to do MCQs in my internship with that pace. But after I was free, I was able to give whole my time to the MCQs, and I started solving at least 700-800 MCQs from the day one on.
That is a very good number.
Another motivating factor for me was I already did my BDS from a private institute. I was not in the state of mind that I asked for more money for my PG in any of the private institutes. So I had only option of cracking a government seat, and by God's grace I did that. And financial independence was just after my BDS was a most inspiring factor for me. As Dr. Aman Sharma, he's from DERDS only. He's my super senior, and he always motivated me कि अगर मेरा हुआ है तो आपका भी हो जाएगा. So in this way, I was always motivated by all of the staff, Dr. Simranjeet and Dr. Sandeep. They were available on the first call only. They were always there to clear our doubts, motivate us, and they never allowed us to feel down. And after my internship, there were different kind of struggles. And as I stayed in Faridkot, I was in hostel, and I was studying with my roommate only, so there was no noise around there. But when I came back from hostel, so there was difficulty in adjusting in the home environment, because I live in a joint family and there are 13 people around me, and there was too much noise, and I sometimes fought with my parents कि मुझे पढ़ना है इतना सा. So that was a difficult part for me, but later on I adjusted.
So as she told that during internship there were different kinds of struggle, and after internship she was in a joint family, there were a lot of persons around, but then even she managed in that atmosphere. She kept on studying for 10 to 12 hours in a day after an internship, and finally she made it. So this in itself is a बहुत मोटिवेटिंग फैक्टर है उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, बिकॉज हमें हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ एक्सक्यूज मिल जाता है स्टडी से रन अवे करने के लिए, बट वी हैव टू ओवरकम दोज एक्सक्यूजेज. वी हैव टू स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन अ गोल. उस गोल को सामने रख के हमने प्रिपरेशन करनी है, तो आप किसी भी तरह की सिचुएशन में प्रिपेयर करके एक्सेल कर सकते हो. एंड डॉक्टर अमनदीप इज अ ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल फॉर ऑल दोज एस्पिरेंट्स हु आर एमिंग फॉर समथिंग बिग एंड हु आर एमिंग फॉर अ टॉप ऑल इंडिया रैंक. प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटजी क्या रही, आपने कौन कौन सी बुक्स फॉलो की, थ्योरी आपने कितनी पढ़ी, तो इस बारे में आप स्टूडेंट्स को प्लीज बताइए.
For the theory, I did only the academy lectures that were available as a recorded lecture, and after reading those notes, I covered the MCQs, and after completing one subject, I give the test for that subject, and After giving test, I analyze my mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't analyze your mistakes, there is no point giving
It's
test,
very important.
because you will be repeating your mistakes in next subsequent test, and you will be repeating them in mock test and then in the final exam also.
Okay.
So analyzing the test mistakes is very important.
Mm-hmm. And books आपने कौन कौन सी follow की?
So I did dental pulse and dental triplet. The dental pulse I did thrice.
Okay.
In the first go, I just read it and marked the questions which I was facing difficulty in solving.
Mm-hmm.
And in second go, I read only the marked questions.
Okay.
और उसमें से भी मैंने कुछ sort out किए जो third go के लिए पढ़ना है.
Mm-hmm.
And similarly, dental triplet I did like 4 to 5 times. So same with the triplet.
Mm-hmm.
I marked first the questions I was finding difficulty with. Then I read only the marked questions, and then again excluded few of the questions.
So, like Dr. Amandeep told, these two books are most important अगर हमने इंडिया में कोई भी एग्जाम क्लियर करना है, पल्स एंड डेंटल ट्रिपलेट. तो अगर हम इन्हें अच्छी तरह से पढ़ते हैं, ठीक तरह से गो थ्रू करते हैं, तो चांसेस ऑफ सिलेक्शन दे इंक्रीज मैनीफोल्ड, right? And in the last, I would like to ask you any tip or message for future aspirants. उनको किस चीज पे फोकस करना चाहिए कि they are able to get top ranks in dental competitive entrance examinations?
I would like to tell everybody that don't feel like if you know MCQ you don't read their explanation. You have to read the explanation even if you know the answer.
Yes.
Because in explanation you can get the answer of next 3 to 4 questions.
Yes.
And dental triplet book, dental pulse book, they have a good explanation.
So, as Dr. Amandeep told कि अगर आप MCQs कर रहे हैं तो सिर्फ वो क्वेश्चन के आंसर को पता होना जरूरी नहीं है, उसके आंसर के जो बाकी 3 ऑप्शंस हैं उनका मीनिंग, वो जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, दैट कंप्लीट कॉन्सेप्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट हैज बीन एक्सप्लेन्ड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली इन द बुक्स व्हिच she has read. So we wish her best of luck for her future, and as a token of appreciation on behalf of Dentecme, I would like to present this memento to her, and I hope she does well in the future, and best of luck for your future, Dr. Amandeep. Thank you for being present here at Dentecme Academy Center in Chandigarh. Best of luck.